Welcome back, everyone, to week 23. Now, when I started this series, I intended on being, no matter what, bullish every week on three stocks and talking about what three stocks you can buy in this week or what I'm looking at and what I like the price. Now, it has since um, turned into more of a discussion about certain stocks, but my point is this week, for a variety of reasons, I don't really feel like buying really anything, but I will pick three stocks just to go over and talk about a few things. So this week will be a bit different, but I hope you enjoy and see why. Okay, so to start with, Plateau. Now, do I say I don't like this anymore? No, I still like it. In our portfolio, we're getting a bit overweight for something like it, but I do still like it. And I have been getting some questions about it, about um, my thoughts or an update or this or that. And this has kind of inspired me I wrote a mini report on it, and the link to that report is in the description. It's on Google Drive. Everyone should have access. And if you want, feel free to check it out, read it. Um, this isn't something that I will be sharing regularly through the YouTube, the reports, but I did enjoy writing it. It did take a while to amalgamate my thoughts, but if many of you would be interested in seeing more of these reports on stocks that I like, let me know in the comments, and it wouldn't be necessarily included in the YouTube channel thing. So let me know what seeing something like that might be worth, or what you guys think that it would be a fair way to do it. Okay, so next we have Leagold. Now, looking at the chart, this does not look like something you want to be just grabbing more of. Real money, if you are looking to add or was looking to add, you'd probably want to wait for a bit better prices. Now, fundamentally, if the gold price doesn't tank their production growth to 400,000 ounces a year and then to 700,000 from current assets, that at all-in sustaining cost of below to around $1,000, well, you get some pretty significant cash flow for a company that's market cap is in the neighborhood of $500 million once, and maybe slightly more when you include debt. They are really cheap by any metric almost that you look at. If you look at the assets, good management with a track record, I think that this has a lot of potential. Now, I did say it is levered. It does have some debt, but that comes with building a company, and I believe that they should be fine with that, and in a few years have no debt and get revalued higher. Now, I just also wanted to take this opportunity, because I know we do have Equinox in the portfolio, to say that they're late with Arizona. They were supposed to be first in the first quarter, then by the end of the first quarter. Well, at this point, first quarter's over and there's no news of production at Arizona. So I'm not impressed. That being said, it could be a delay because it is in Brazil and they did have some tailings issues. So maybe they're double checking, triple checking, and maybe there's new inspection there. We'll see. But so that's it for the gold segment. Except I did want to say that the euro versus dollar is looking weak, and that is a big component in the dollar index. So we'll see what happens there. I'm not going to go too much into it, but I will maybe make videos early next week or sometime next week about the different macro that's giving me a headache. Lastly, LUCARA Diamond. Now, the main reason that I was hesitant to be buying more of this, and it's nothing to say anything negative about the stock, it's just if you look at the portfolio, it's again getting way up there and waiting, and I've been adding for a while, and yes, I still like it. Yes, I still own all the shares that I bought personally, but it is getting a bit redundant. Now, that being said, over time, I think that the diamond industry will recoup, but I do think that that is potentially a 2020 thing, and we are 7.5 months away from 2020. So could we be talking about this for a long time? Maybe. But with that, with Clara rolling out, I do see bright stuff ahead. That being said, weeks ahead? No. Well, maybe, but more so months and years ahead. Now, here is, as always, a look at what the portfolio currently looks like. There was a bit of a fun stretch in the middle of last week where everything was going up, but we gave back a little bit towards the end. And again, this is short-term adding for the long term. So I think I like where we look. I don't own all the names, own some, own most. But there's just, of course, other names that I do own, and but some aren't appropriate for a platform like this, just having too many names. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I will be getting more into what I discussed about Plateau just in a sec. Okay, so on the research. Please feel free, it's 100% free. Take a look at this one report in the description that I will share the link with. And this is a sample. I am considering offering a paid platform to share detailed reports on certain stocks and certain reasoning why I like them and why I see value. Now, I am not normally someone who's comfortable asking for money, but in this case I do it for a number of reasons, too many to go into here, but the bottom line is I put a lot of work into this, I do a lot of research, and I believe that, and I own the stocks, and I see value in them. I believe that they will prove to be worth far more than what nominal price this may cost. Now, I have no idea how many people would be interested in something like this, and I have no idea if it is something that people would be interested in. So please let me know if you're interested, and it would require some more effort and more and enough interest for it to be worth it for me to do something like this. So if you are interested in something like this, please let me know. Well, you could do so in the comments, direct message on Twitter, or email. My email will also be in the description and in the report. Now, I would probably be doing something like 2 to 3 a month, depending. I do work, but so this would be just a discussion, again, of specific stocks and why I like them, why I own them, why I focus on certain aspects of them. And again, this is depth research, quality over quantity, so hence the 2 to 3 per month. So if this is going to happen, it would require an amount of interest that would be worth it. Now, what is this worth to you? I don't know. Please let me know. I have an idea, but if people say something and if enough people say some type of thing, I might be able to adapt that. And don't worry, whatever you say, I won't be insulted. I just want to see what the interest for something like this would look like. If you want to only comment privately, that's fine. If you want to comment publicly, that's fine too. And if you don't want to, that's fine too. So that's it on the research part. Aside from that, I hope you enjoy the free report, even if you're not interested. Thanks. As always, everyone, please do your own research before making any investment decisions. This channel shall not be liable for any losses incurred from investment decisions made as a result of information obtained on this channel. Good luck with your investments. I'll catch you next time.